Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be continuing to explain the topic of derivatives and especially solving derivatives of polynomials, focusing on multiplication. So we saw that the formula was basically a bit too long and complex to apply, and that we had some methods to apply that were more simple. We know that y of fx times g of x, the derivative of this is f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. So we can apply this instead of having to use our formula. So we have that our f of x is equal to x squared and our g of x is equal to 3x to the power of 3. Now let's just apply this formula right here. Y prime is equal to f prime of x, so x prime of x. We know that this is applying our x to the power of n moves to n times x to the power of n minus 1. We know that this is 2x to the power of 2 minus 1, 2x basically, times g of x, so it stays the same, 3x cubed, plus, and then our f of x stays the same, x squared, times our g of x is prime, is derived, so same thing that we have done here, 3 times 3, 9, 9x to the power of 2. And so we get that y prime is equal to 2x times 3x cubed. This is 6x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 times 9x to the power of 4. This is 9x to the power of 4. And therefore, we can just add these, simplify our result, and we have 15x to the power of 4, which is the result of deriving these two functions by multiplying them. So, now let's practice with a slightly more complex example. F of x is equal to 6x squared minus 2x, and our g of x is equal to 4x to the power of 3 plus 3. So, let's just do the same thing we did in our previous exercise. Y prime is equal to f of x prime, so this prime and this prime. 6x prime is 12x minus 2x, this is minus 2, and this is multiplying just g of x, so 4x, 3 plus 3, this is maintained the same, and then we're adding this to f of x, which is maintained the same, 6x squared minus 2x times, we derive this, 4x cubed is 12x squared, and 3 cancels out. This is a constant, so we keep it like so. And therefore, this is 12x times 4x cubed. This is going to be 48x to the power of 4 plus 3 times 12x, which is 36x minus 8x to the power of 3 minus 6 plus 6x squared times 12x squared. This is going to be 72x to the power of 4 minus 2x times 12x. This is going to be minus 24x cubed. And therefore, we simplify this. Y prime is equal to, we have a 48x to the power of 4 here plus a 72 x to the power of 4. If we add this, 48 plus 72, 7 plus 2, that's 50. And then 50 plus 70, that will be 120. 120 x to the power of 4. We have here minus x to the power of 3 minus 24 x to the power of 3 minus 8 minus 24 is going to be minus 32, if I'm not mistaken, minus 32x cubed. And then we add 36x plus 36x, and then we have this out, this out, this out, this out, and this out, and we're just missing minus 6. So this is our derivative for multiplying these two functions. Thank you for watching. I hope you have understood. Continue practicing these exercises of multiplication, and check out our next video in which I'll be explaining derivatives of polynomials, but in division.